Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie. If you're new, thank you for stopping by. If you're not new, thank you for clicking to watch another video. As you guys can tell by the title, I'm going to be telling you 5 reasons why your hair won't grow like mine. I'm kidding. But I'm also going to tell you, like, easy ways for you to fix, the lack of growth in your hair. These are my opinions. And it's just advice. You can take it, you can leave it, but I do believe that if you want to grow your hair, and I do believe that if you want to have healthy hair, you should do these things. And I do believe that the reason why your hair won't grow is because you're not doing some or any of these things. Okay, I'm not going to be telling you the usual drink water or whatever. I don't know what people say in these type of videos, but I know people like to say cliche things like drink more water and this and that. You should be drinking water, but I'm not going to sit here and tell you that it's the water that I drink that made my hair long. It's not, okay? But I do have 5 reasons why your hair will not grow and how to fix that. So let's get into the video. So the first reason why your hair won't grow is because you don't listen to your hair. Like, you don't listen when your hair is saying, I don't like this product, or I need more of this. And we tend to do that a lot. You try a product on your hair because you saw a review and your hair reacts a certain way, and instead of you to take note that maybe my hair doesn't like this product, you keep trying it because it got results for someone else, but you're not even paying attention to the fact that it's not getting results for you. So that's a big problem. People are not listening to their hair. This product, I'm gonna put the product up here. Everyone, when I was natural, everyone used to rave about this particular product. Like, everybody in the natural hair community would use it to pre-poo and all of that. I put this thing in my hair. My hair was ready to fight me. My hair said, "Who do you think you are?" My hair said, "What do you think this is?" I then went ahead and used it a second time just to be sure, and the exact same thing happened. My hair felt like starch. It was disgusted. The hair was disgusted. I had to immediately shampoo it out of my hair. Like, I had to get it out. So I never and will never use that product ever again. So you see, I listened. I pay attention to the way my hair reacted versus when I use this product, which is the As I Am Hydration Thingamabob. My hair loves, like, literally, my hair can drink this product. My hair absolutely loves the product. I do have a video coming up about, going to the beauty supply and showing you guys what I buy. So I will show you that, but my hair does love this product. So if you want your hair to grow, make sure you are listening to the kind of products that your hair likes and doesn't like. Another example, does your hair need more protein or more moisture? I've said it 1,000 times. My hair needs moisture more than it needs protein. Protein is good, but it needs moisture every single day or every other day. I'm not gonna lie to you, today I did not moisturize because nobody got time, and I have my wash day tomorrow. So, but my hair is a moisture. She's a moisture gal, okay? She needs the moisture. Protein can come once in a couple months, but moisture, she needs it every single day. And how do you fix this? By taking notes of what your hair wants. Just take notes of, okay, I used this, it didn't like this, let me try something else. And that's how you listen to your hair. That's how you develop that's how you make it a habit of listening to your hair. The second reason why your hair won't grow is because you're using products because your fave is using them, and then you're treating your hair like your fave's hair. Let's say you have a YouTuber that you like to watch, and maybe she's natural and you like the way her hair comes out every time, so you decide to buy every single product she uses and use it on your hair. You realize that it doesn't work for your hair, and instead of you to be honest with the product, you start lying to yourself and you continue using the product. Don't use a product just because your fave is using it. You can test it out and you can be honest with yourself and say, you know what, this product might have worked for her, but it doesn't work for me. And you also have to take so many things into consideration. Is her hair the same hair type? Is it the same porosity? Like, there's so many things to consider before you just jump out and go buy a product because your fave recommended it. Even if you buy it to try it out, the way to fix this problem is be sure of yourself. If the product is not working, just because your fave is using it doesn't mean you have to use it too. Take it back to the store, get your money, and find something else. The third one, actually, the third reason why your hair won't grow is it's the biggest reason. It's literally the biggest reason why your hair won't grow. It should be number one, but it's number 3 in this case. And that is inconsistent routines. You don't have a routine for anything. You don't have a routine for a wash day. You don't have a routine to deep condition your hair. You don't have a routine to put in protective styles. Like, you have no routine, so your hair has no growth. Your hair has no results. Inconsistency in routines brings about inconsistency in results. Put that on a shirt. If you're inconsistent in your routine, you're not going to be consistent in seeing your results. That's what I told you guys about the hair vitamins that I take. I was not consistent when I started and I didn't see any results. As soon as I became consistent, when I tell you I have so much growth, it's actually kind of disturbing me at this point. So if you don't have a consistent routine, your hair is not going to give you the results that you need. How do you fix this problem? Create a consistent routine and start small. Maybe you feel like, girl, you don't know my schedule, I work, I'm a mom, I'm this. Why don't you just start small? Start with deep conditioning every weekend. Just do that. Because listen, you can go 2 weeks without washing your hair, but you cannot go a week without deep conditioning your hair because your hair will show. So start small. Start with, okay, I'm going to wash my hair every 2 weeks on Tuesdays, but then I'm going to make sure I deep condition my hair every Saturday morning, or even Saturday nights, and deep condition it overnight and wash it on Sunday morning before you head to church or wherever you go to Sunday mornings. But that's the weekend. You have a little bit more time to take care of yourself. Like I said, inconsistency in your routine is going to bring about inconsistency in your results, and you don't want that. Okay, hopefully you want long, healthy hair, and the way to do that is to be consistent. I try my best to, I am very consistent. Okay, I'm consistent with deep conditioning my hair on the weekends, and I used to wash my hair every week, but I literally decided from like this morning to make it every 2 weeks instead of every week, because I don't put products in my hair, so the constant washing kind of just bothers me. But the reason why your hair will not grow is because you're inconsistent in your routine. So you need to create a consistent routine and track the results. Okay, like deep condition every weekend for a month and see what happens to your hair. Is it stronger? Is it healthier? I guarantee you it's going to be at least stronger and healthier. The fourth reason why your hair will not grow is because you're lazy and unwilling to learn. The thing is that you think having hair should come easy. You think having healthy hair and long hair should come easy. You think it shouldn't take as much work as you're seeing. Like, let's say you've been trying to grow your hair and you're like, this is taking too much work. Why doesn't it just grow? You think it's supposed to be easy, so you're lazy and you're unwilling to learn what to do to make your hair grow. That's facts, sis. I'm just giving it to you straight. I'm just telling you how it is. I'm just telling you how it is. You're lazy and unwilling. So how do you fix this? The first thing you want to do is understand and admit and realize that you are lazy, and then also admit that it's going to take some work. Long hair does not magically fall from the heavens and start to growing. No, it takes work. So admit that it's going to take some work and do research. I think when people hear the word do your own research, everyone's like, no. You think of research as actual research, like go into the lab and look under microscopes and, you know, read all these books. But listen, a research is as easy as typing it into YouTube and seeing what someone else has to say, or looking up a product and seeing reviews, or looking up ingredients in a product. That's what research is. It's finding more information about a specific topic. Before I relaxed my hair, I did research, and I came to YouTube and I watched Hairlicious. I'm sure you guys know her. Her name is also Valerie, so if you're watching this video, sis, hi. Her name is also Valerie, and she's also from Toronto. Oh my gosh. But yeah, I binge watched almost all her videos just to be sure that I really wanted to get a relaxer, right? After that, I went to her blog and I read on some of the products that she recommended, and a lot of them I will be purchasing. I have purchased before, so I know that they work for me, which is why I will continue to purchase them. I'm not just purchasing them because she recommended them. Well, she did, and I tried it and it works, so I'm gonna go back and keep purchasing. Get what I mean? So do your research. Just type it into Google, like how to self-relax, if that's what you want to do. I would never. That's just me. How to deep condition. How just search a product ingredient, like, is it good for the hair? Is there any long-term damage? You have to understand that there must be a process and a willingness to learn. So that's how you fix that problem. And the fifth and final reason why your hair will not grow is because of constant manipulation. You know, excessive heat, damage, too many people in your hair. That's something I do not like. I do not like too many people in my hair. I have one person I go to for braiding, and then I have one person I go to if I want to have a sew-in, and that's it. I do not like having different hands in my hair, because I feel like every time a different hand is in my hair tends to break. So try and have your standard hairdresser that you like. And then another thing, obviously heat. Stay away from heat. Like, I mean, I stay away from heat to the best of my abilities. If I wash my hair and I have to go out, I will blow dry my hair, or use a heat protectant. Use a really good heat protectant. That's also really good. Yeah, not everyday manipulation. Not every day the hair is everywhere. Even constantly putting your hair in a bun is still manipulation. If you put your hair at the top too long, you get bald. You put it at the back too long, you get a headache. Like, it's good to just shift things around, or just leave your hair the way it is. Like, it's not disturbing you. Leave your hair. Leave it. So that's how you fix it. You leave your hair, or you do protective style so that your hand is not constantly in your hair. You're constantly not causing it to break or things like that. And that's it. That's all I have for you guys. That's all you have to do to make sure that your hair starts to grow longer and healthier. If you find that you recognize that you do any of these things that cause your hair not to grow, just pivot, do a 180 turn, and start doing the right things. I hope this video helped you. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you watched to the end. If you liked the video, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. I do want to get to 20,000 subscribers by the end of the year, so thank you. Bye.